Sige. So, sir, yun po muna, if we could get your reaction. Si Senator Ping Lacson, siya po ay nagsabi magre-resign po bilang chairperson ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Your reaction po to this?
Malungkot tayo dahil is probably one of the best investigators in the country. Kaya impressive ang body of work na talaga. From the very beginning until now, when he was still like in the PAOK TF and now here, he has a very impressive body of work. It's also a loss if you think about it.
Opo. Sir, makaka-apekto po ba ito dun sa pag-iimbestiga naman natin dito sa DOJ?
Well, malaking tulong kasi ang kanyang ginawang investigation as far as our investigations are concerned here. And it will be missed for sure. We will miss it at the skill.
Opo.
Pero I will still seek advice from him about some things that I have to work out later.
Opo. Pero sir, umaasa din kayong hindi matutuloy kasi kailangan pa ng plenary ito, kailangan pa pong pag-usapan nila eh.
Sana hindi na niya ituloy yung kanyang pag-resign sa Blue Ribbon. But that's the business of the Senate. It's an independent body.
Sir, kapag yung pumalit sa kanya as Blue Ribbon Chair ay mag-request ng maging state witness ang ilang personalities, for example,
They will have to endorse kasi the Senate President in the end will have to endorse those who will be covered by the Witness Protection Program and become state witnesses.
So kung mag-recommend ba ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, binding po ba yun?
Hindi siya binding but we all give it the importance it deserves coming from the Senate President, from the office of the Senate President.
Subject to evaluation.
Of course.